All right, forgive the filmography, forgive the noise, forgive all that. I'm really stoked right now. I have been battling my dad's Cougar forever, and I just decided today, I said, let's run through the firing order one more time. Let's check the timing. My friend Rick, mechanic, lifesaver, said, Randy, put your finger over the spark plug and have somebody bump it until it kicks your finger off, and then set that at top dead center, compression stroke #1 cylinder. I did it. I had the firing order wrong, guys. I might have been 180 out, I don't know, but this thing is idling right now. I'm gonna set the base timing and we're gonna go surprise my dad. I'm so excited right now. That might wear out. Probably because that wheel cylinder is leaking. Maybe I'll just try right here and then guess.
What happened?
I had the distributor out, but it's still not advanced enough to run right.
Where's your car seat, Casey?
Do you want to drive it?
Where's it? You have the tag?
No? I don't need no tags. Drive it, just take it for a quick spin. I had the brakes, Dad, are really like, since Paisley, stay inside.
Fluid and all that?
You want to get out with me, Peach? Grandpa's just gonna drive it around the block. Hey, the brakes are not that good, dude.
He's not gonna come back.
Like a teenager. All right, so got home from our first test drive in the Cougar, and it was getting pretty hot. Like, I noticed right up the street from my house, it was getting pretty hot. So I decided to, jet home, and it was puking when it got here. So we do have some more issues to fix with this thing. So stay tuned if you want to see this thing. We got it running now. Now let's get it buttoned up and on the road so it can be enjoyed. That's all. Follow us on Instagram, like, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you want to do. And that's it. We're out.